Hi everyone, I'm Karen Egan, Mayor of Nillumbik Shire, and I'm here with Council Chief Executive Officer Cowie. Over the past couple of months, we've all had to get used to going about our lives in a very different way to fight the COVID-19 pandemic. The mandated restrictions have had an impact on every aspect of our lives, and this includes council operations and services. Through all this, our priority has been and remains the health and safety of the broader community and our staff. As you're no doubt aware, the Victorian Government has announced an extension to the state of emergency until May 31, with some relatively small but important changes to what had previously been in place. The slight easing of some statewide restrictions, including those around our interactions with family and close friends, are indeed very welcome, although we concur with state and federal authorities in urging sensible caution around this easing. For council operations, restrictions remain in place by and large, with a few changes. Carl.
We continue to follow the recommendations of state and federal governments to guide the way we conduct council business, and it is important to remember that social distancing and hygiene remain key to reducing the spread of this virus. The changes announced under the current state of emergency conditions has some impact on council operations. The Yarrambat Park golf course has now reopened, but with strict social distancing and other safety measures in place. If you plan to play a round of golf, please ensure you've acquainted yourself with these measures prior to booking. Outdoor group exercise activities of up to 10 people at council recreational facilities and parks are now permitted, subject to social distancing requirements. Outdoor gyms and public playgrounds remain off limits for now. Council facilities, especially those for indoor activity, remain closed. These include our sport and leisure centres, our living and learning centres, council halls and sporting venues, Edendale Community Environment Farm, Hurstbridge Hub, except for Hurstbridge Children's Centre and the Maternal Child and Health Service, along with allied health services. All council-run events remain cancelled until further notice. While our customer service desk at Council Civic Centre in Greensborough remains closed, our team is still available to take your phone calls and provide assistance during normal business hours on 9433 3111. Where and if possible, I would encourage you to complete any council business you may have, including payments, online at Council's website. Our essential services continue, as indeed they have throughout this period of restriction. Your waste and recycling is still being collected at the normal times. Meals are being delivered to our older and vulnerable residents. Council childcare services continue to operate, as does community transport for older and vulnerable people to access health-related appointments and to access essential food shopping. In-home support services for older people, child maternal health and appointments continue, and our immunisation service is still operating as normal. Council meetings are being held, although now they're being held virtually and live streamed as a measure to mitigate the risk of COVID-19 transmission.
The community response has been extraordinary, and we know how extremely difficult a time this has been for everyone, not least our local small businesses. Council's doing what it can to help, and we would urge the community to support these businesses and shop local. For the most up-to-date and complete information on services, closures and cancellations in the Shire, keep an eye on our website and social media channels. We appreciate the profound impact that the decisions made have had on the community, but we're also acutely aware that they have been necessary. We've all had an important part to play if we're to successfully navigate this crisis. The signs indicate that our collective efforts have begun to pay off, but now, more than ever, we can't afford to be complacent. We thank you for your support and willingness to do your part so far, and appreciate your patience as council staff work to continue delivering you the best service possible in these very challenging times. We will continue to update you on any developments as the situation continues to unfold, but most importantly, Look after yourselves, your family, neighbours and loved ones. Thank you.